In this video, I'll be showing you how to create a structural floor. All you need to do is simply go to Structure tab. You are going to see Floor. Click on this drop down. You will see, pick this particular floor, Floor Architectural. Then you are going to use Pick Lines and simply pick the external wall. If you like, you can on this thin line. You can also put it off if you like, so that the lines will be thicker. You just have to trace all the external wall. Trace them before you remove the walls, so that when you have removed the walls, you will know the external edges of your floor, because once the walls are removed, you won't be able to trace it anymore. Okay, now you are going to use Trim to Corner, this particular tool. If you want to use shortcut, you type TR on your keyboard, then you click the second place, it will trim it. Just have to go around. We are coming back to the other place later. Okay, when you have gone around this particular one, we need to split here and here before we can trim it. So let me exit from this command. To exit from this command, I have a shortcut that I normally use. I created that shortcut myself, and the shortcut is Q and W. The reason for this is so that when my right is handling the mouse, my left is typing on the keyboard, and it makes my work to be faster. Okay, so anytime I want to exit out of any command, I don't need to be looking for this icon, modify icon. All I need to do is to simply type Q and W together, and once that is done, I will be out of that particular command. Now I want to split here and here. To use split, you can use shortcut, or the shortcut for split is SL. Split will be activated. This is that particular split that I've just activated now. So you can see this particular box is checked, and this means that if I cut here and cut here, the internal segment will be deleted. If you don't want the internal segment to be deleted, you uncheck this one. Okay, now I am done with that splitting. Now to exit, like I told you earlier, you simply use Q and W. But if you have not set your own shortcut, you won't have that. If you have not set your shortcut, what you use is this modify. Okay, now let's use trim. Now Trim to Corner, this particular one, my own shortcut is TR, so I can use TR, and that Trim to Corner will be activated. And now I need to select the type of floor I am using. You select the one of 150 mm. That's the one I've selected. And also make sure you have also taken note of the level where it is. Right now it is on ground floor level, which is fine. So let's finish it now, and that is it. That floor is done. If you want to check it in section, you can pick section from here, from this quick access toolbar, and draw your section like this from left to right. And when you are done, you simply select it, right click on it, and go to view. This is that particular structural floor that we have just done now. That is how you can create a structural floor in Revit Structure. I hope the step we took now is clear enough for you to understand how to create floors in your Revit Structure. Okay, if you want to learn how to use Revit Structure and Robot Structural Analysis Professional, I will be leaving a video up here. Ensure you watch that video. It will show you how you can gain access to our complete Revit Structure and Robot Structural Analysis Professional. So watch that video now. See you in the next video. Bye.